My name is Kylie Concelman and I am a service advisor at Glenshaw Auto. My job is basically to tell you what is wrong with your vehicle or what the best option is going to be for you. 3 things I would take with me if I were deserted on an island would have to be some sort of music. I would have to bring a person with me, and I would probably have to bring a survival utensil, probably a knife. Something most people don't know about me would be that I actually went to the Junior Olympics for jump rope. So we went to Detroit, Michigan. Junior Olympics is exactly what it sounds like. Olympics for young people, and I went for jump rope, which we could do our own homemade routines. There was speed and power, which basically means like how quick you could jump over them in different ways. So, I am a very superstitious person. I do not walk under ladders. If I spill the salt, I have to throw it over my shoulder. Yeah, all that fun stuff. Something a customer does that grinds my gears would probably be when they say they have a noise for a vehicle or a problem but can't tell me what that problem is. So therefore, I can't tell the technician where to even start. So that grinds my gears. Tick, 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 tick. I think one of my favorite customers is Mary D. Johnston. I just love when she rolls up in her car. She has a 2004 Honda CR-V that she's had on the road for about 230,000 miles and is beginning to come to an end, but I don't know, I like her. If I were to have one last meal, it would be my grandma's cabbage rolls. If I were to have a dream vehicle, I'd just walk out to my garage and drive my 2019 STI. I think the biggest reason I like to work at Glenshaw Auto is because I get to help people make the right decisions for them and their vehicles, and also whenever I get to talk to women or girls my age is very helpful to them as well.